Zuckerberg says his worries nation may copy China's way of regulating internet. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg said he is worried that other nations may try to imitate China's approach to internet regulation under the Beijing model. You don't have to respect human rights, quit as much in how this society gets run, he told European Union Industry Commissioner. He said it's Western democratic nations' joint responsibility to develop a data privacy framework. Trump gives WHO 30 days for improvements, threatens permanent freeze of fund. US President Donald Trump has threatened to make his temporary freeze of US funding to WHO permanent if WHO doesn't commit to major substantive improvements within the next 30 days in light of its response to coronavirus. He also said he will reconsider US membership in the organization. WHO is clearly not serving America's interest, Trump added. Trump reveals he is taking hydrochloroquine to prevent coronavirus infection. US President Donald Trump has revealed that he is taking hydrochloroquine to prevent coronavirus infection, saying this pill has been used for a long time, for 30-40 years on malaria and lupus too. So it's been heavily tested. I think it's good. I have heard a lot of good stories so far. I seem to be okay, he further said. Trump honored 10-year-old Indian American girl for COVID-19 help. US President Donald Trump honored a 10-year-old Indian American girl, Shravya Annappa Reddy, for donating cookies to nurses and firefighters and sending personalized greeting cards to healthcare workers amid COVID-19 pandemic. Shravya was among the 3 10-year-old Girl Scouts honored by Trump for their help. Her parents are from Andhra Pradesh, a report said. Over 70 COVID-19 cases linked to schools in France detected, report. France reportedly detected over 70 COVID-19 cases linked to school after they reopened last week for the first time since a national lockdown was imposed in the country. French Education Minister Jean-Michel Blanquer said that the return of children to school has put some of them in new danger of contamination. The affected schools are being closed immediately, he added.